Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lincoln Elementary School, home of the Lions in Madera, California. This is my second time getting to visit their campus here in the cafeteria and the lunchroom, where we had multiple student assemblies throughout the day, and as well as a parent program in the evening. And it really tied into what they preach here at Lincoln. There's signage like this all across the school grounds, which I love to see. But it says, it's a good day for a great day. Lions are respectful, responsible, ready. This is the way, this is the Lincoln way. And so the student programs, we focused on bullying, look at the heart first, right, as the sub-theme. And this really kind of touches on the respectful part of their mantra here at the school. And we know that our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so mean, it stays in their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we always have this choice. And a lot of students that shared their heart with me afterwards, even some of the parents for the evening session, you know, they've talked about how it's not easy. They've been bullied in the past for whatever reason. They've been through some pain in their lives, but they're able to get past some of that. And just hearing some of the positivity today and some of the really heartfelt stories, it just touched their heart. And I said, that's great, because if something did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And to know that some of these students have had someone stand up for, you know, themselves if they were getting bullied, or they stood up for someone else, right, in that situation. You know, maybe then the person or persons that it's done towards, including ourselves, maybe we're gonna go spread that and, you know, be that, voice to the voiceless, right? To someone that really needs our help. And, you know, when we're talking about trying to move past any potential pain in our heart, one of the biggest reasons I see why bullying happens, that hurt people, we know that we always have this choice to step into this healing, because also healed people heal people. And if we know that even at a young age, we have this conscious decision to really rise above the hate and show that love to people that truly need it. Maybe it changes their heart, maybe it doesn't, but we have to at least try, right? And so that means we have to be able to look at the heart first, right? See others around us just like you see your best friend, but also we have to be able to see ourselves and others too for this. I bring this up in every presentation that I give, whether it's the adults or the students, and this is the fact that all of us are true miracles, right? And I traced that with the lines on my hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Just like the front of my shirt, upside down W's for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe this, because so many students I speak to, sometimes they've never been told that. Sometimes they let other people's opinions about them define their worth or their value. And there's a lot of opinions out there, I say, but not all of them matter. And we don't need to take all that personal. You know, it's very easy to, I get it. But when we kind of come from the approach that this person that's probably trying to put us down, whether it's just because they're not getting past our differences and getting to know the real us, maybe they're jealous, maybe they're just trying to look cool in front of their friends to get a laugh, but maybe it is because they're hurting. You know, and we could choose to be that light to their heart, right, if we want to be. And look, this world needs a lot more kindness, and that's what I really tried to push today, especially with the youth programs. For the parent session, it was on positivity, be your best self, and that one really related to it's a good day for a great day, what they really preach here at Lincoln, and really because it's all about a mindset, right? We can always choose to have a positive outlook, no matter the weather outside, no matter the storms going on in here. You know, we can always hopefully have this positive outlook with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives. And if we can do that, you know, all of a sudden, you know, that positivity, it's contagious, right? And it's something that people, you know, like that enthusiasm that they just gravitate towards, to know that as long as we're trying our hardest, just doing our best, that's true excellence. Not always having to be the best, be number one. It's just doing your best, right? And that's in every area of our lives, how we treat ourselves, how we talk kindly to our mind, if we choose to talk kindly to others, we always have that choice. So thanks for touching my heart. Just a beautiful day again here at the home of the Lions. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. And feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.